crazy and whatnot. So guys, there's also a big project, a multi-million rand project that I'm currently working on that's keeping me busy. I hope that I'm going to share it with you. I thought it was going to launch in August, but there's like a lot of things that we need to do. As we speak right now, I have the programmer busy working at the office, working on the project. He's still busy as we speak. It's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. He's still busy doing what we need to do. Now, as soon as the project is done, I'm going to launch it. It's going to be an amazing product. It's going to be something that all of you guys are going to need to use on a daily basis. It's black excellence. The positive thing about it is that there's only two positive things about it. Number one, is going to make me a billionaire, definitely. Number two, it is going to change people's lives in terms of creating employment. I think a part of me also accepted that as much as I'm smart, not everybody is going to be as smart as me. Some people just want to work. They just want instructions. They want to go to, they want to do a 9 to 5. No, it's not trading related. It's outside my financial market world. It's definitely something different. It's like the move that, okay, but let me not talk about other people. It's fine. So let me just speak about myself. So, what was I saying? Yeah, anyways, yeah. So as I was saying, that it's going to change lives, part of my goal is realizing that not everybody will have the same confidence as me to be on top and control his own world and whatnot. And some people just want to be working, and then that's what they want. And that is my goal. My goal is to create employment, and I also want to create employment for people who are less privileged. You understand what I mean when I say less privileged? Except for certain positions. That is why when I hired at first, I said, I only want people with matric, then that's it. I don't want you to have a degree. I just want you to have matric, right? And then depending on your energy and the type of effort that you put in the work that I will give you, controls where do I take you next. You understand what I mean? So I'm one guy who doesn't believe in how the system operates. So the product that I'm going to be launching is also going to be creating employment. Already, by the end of this year, I want the broker to have 100 employees. And keep in mind, if the broker has 100 employees, what it means is if each employee earns 10,000 as an example, that means that I'm actually taking 1 million and feeding different families all at once. I'm feeding 100 families all at once. That is black excellence. We can't always wait for the government to do things for us. We need to stand up for ourselves. So that is the goal that I have, that by the end of the year, the broker must have 100 employees. If I fail, at least I will land around 70. 70 employees is still a lot. I mean, we still take care of these people and their families. Of course, they're working for their money and whatnot. It's black excellence. It's something that instead of bashing, we should sit down and think about it deeper. That, okay, sharp. This DJ coach guy came to us out of nowhere saying he's a Forex trader, and we don't believe this Forex trading things. The next thing this guy says he's a DJ. There's something fishy about this guy. The next thing he's on Moja Love. The next thing he's kicked out of TV. This guy is not real. All those things that have been said, the controversy, the drama, the whatnot. You should not shy away from the positivity that the very same person that you might not like, the kind of positivity that they're bringing. How many people at my age, 27 years, that that has created job opportunities for more than 40 people? How many do you know? Like at my age, you understand? So we should always, as much as you don't like the things that I've done or doing or whatsoever, you should always try to find positivity in what I'm doing. At least I'm doing something to change people's lives. Even though it can be a miracle, it can be a lot all at once. But guys, come on. There's at least there's something positive that I'm doing. So that is my goal. FBK Markets must create 100 job opportunities by the end of this year. If I fail, I'll be at least on 70 or something closer to that, which is a positive thing, because these people are able to take care of their families and whatnot. So same goes to the next product that I'm going to be launching as well. We're going to start with about like 5 to 10 people, right? But as it grows with your support, of course, it's gonna go up to a point whereby it creates job opportunity for more than 100 people, 500 people, 1,000 people, 10,000 people. You understand? That is the change that I'm trying to bring. Besides enriching myself as a person, I'm also giving back to the community that way, Besides the e-wallets that I'm giving, besides the lessons that I'm giving people as well, change their lives, be able to make money on their phones without having to go to school or work for anybody. There's like a lot of things that I'm doing all at once. Mbali, send me a DM. Send me a DM. I'll try to get something for you. Send me a DM immediately. Actually, let me do a screenshot so I don't forget your name, because I know I'm gonna end the live in like a few. So let me just take a screenshot. So yeah, send me a DM and then I'll see.
You're on 30 now.
You're on 30. 30 million or 30,000. You must be clear. Million or thousand, my boy. You own a broker now, dog. Come on.
I don't want to make noise.
Oh, you must keep quiet. I know it's 30 rands, my boy. It's fine. Okay, yeah. So yeah, and send a DM Ntwana, and then I'll see if I can arrange something for you. You see, so that's how I hire connections, Joe. Connections. School for 4 years. Without connection, nobody's going to hire you. But otherwise, remember what I said, my people. My product, it will be launching very soon. As soon as I launch, please support it, because it's not only going to make me a billionaire. Look at the positive. Don't look at, you guys love looking at the negative things. The negative thing for you guys is that I'm going to be a billionaire, but don't look at that. Look at the positive thing. If I'm a billionaire, that means that I've hired over 10,000 people. That means that 10,000 people who didn't have jobs now have jobs. Irregardless of how they got them, now have jobs. Look at the positive things. What kind of a product you utilize it every day. Trust me, it's something that you use every day. I'm gonna launch it very soon. The programmer is busy, so when I launch it, I need your support. You are not doing it to help me become a billionaire, guys. You are doing it to help the community, because I need to hire people for the product to work so that I can be a billionaire. It's a win-win for both of us. Stop hating, my people. We are in this together. Let us work together as a family. But otherwise, besides that, those will be grooving. Just because I said you must plan your future, I don't mean that don't come to the groove. Guys, alcoholics, come to the groove. Weekend, I'm coming to 17 Lifestyle Sunnyside. I'm coming to Tembisa, where I'm also going to Katlerong, Ko Limpopo in July. That's the name of the event. And then the first week of August, what I know so far is I'm going to Diepsloot. The 30 or 31 September, I'm going to Botswana. For the first time, I'll be going out of South Africa. Guys, I've never been outside South Africa before. But what look a CV, what look 100 rand in their bank account. This lady queen, what's about Dubai, Masepa and everything. Nah, so to come South Africa. Hey, nah, serious. Kalaifi. Serious. So I'll be going to Botswana month end September. For the first time, I'll be going outside South Africa. I've never left South Africa before. Can I have a passport, but I've never used it, So yeah, just to name a few. And also there's Val. I don't know which date. Yeah, I'll be moving around. There's also Limpopo, and there might be Cape Town as well. Cape Town, Leona, in August. There might be Cape Town. I might go to Cape Town.
And there might be a seminar.
Oh yeah. This one is the most important thing, guys. On the 3rd of September, but it's not yet confirmed. For the first time in 2019, 2020, 2021, for the first time in 4 years, I've never made any public appearance that is in relation to motivations and whatnot. On the 3rd of September, Pitori is like my hometown, basically. Pitori, on the 3rd of September, I'll be doing a seminar. The last seminar, I'll be doing it for FBK, basically. For all FBK students and whatnot. The last seminar that I did was in State Theatre in 2018. I've filled State Theatre 6 times. You know, where there is like 600 people sitting, I've had like 6 sessions of people coming in, going out. More than 6 sessions. That was in 2018. So it's been like 4 years now. I've never made anything of that nature. So on the 3rd of September, in Pretoria, but I'm waiting for the invoice. Once it's confirmed, I'm going to post the poster. I'm going to make the biggest seminar. That's where you'll get a lot of financial education, you know, because one of my goals is to educate you guys that, yes, you are born poor, you are in that situation currently, but it doesn't need to define who you are. I'm one of those people who come from that situation. I'm not a motivational speaker where I'm going to lie to you and say, hey, no, I first started with an egg. I owned an egg. And then after 3 months, I started having a chicken. And then after having the chicken, I got another egg. And then I got 2 chickens. Those chickens had sex. They made more chicken babies. And then I had more chickens. Now I own chicken again. No. I'm not going to give you that kind of a motivation. I'm going to give you a realistic motivation that has lifetime challenges. Lifetime challenges is the kind of challenges that you're going to go through as a person who has money or as a person who's trying to hustle. I'm also going to share the failing side. You know, even the broker, I'm also going to explain to you guys how to start a brokerage firm. I'm not a person who's selfish, who's going to make it look like it's magic. Any person can start a brokerage firm. And sometimes you don't even need money. You just need to have the right people on your circle. You understand what I mean? So it's like that. I'm going to be doing all that. Chicken and chicken licking punchline. So what about the motivational speaker? So I'm gonna be doing the seminar. If it happens, I'll post about it. If I don't post about it, it means the date has been taken, because the venue that I'm trying to book is the most booked venue. But if it happens, come through. It's gonna be free. I'll never charge you for anything. It's gonna be free. Just come there, and when you leave that place, you're gonna leave as a different person. You know, if you were planning to have sex after my event, you will not even have sex. You'll just get home and masturbate and sleep so you can focus on your dreams. Anyways, let me love it. Hey, phone here, Gemma, guys. Sorry. Don't forget to support local business. Ongusha. Don't forget to support local business. So, one of the programmers is actually busy here, working as we speak. He's literally working on the project that we are busy with currently. Ongushish. So that's the project that we're gonna launch. So hey, we're busy, guys. We're busy. Ongusha. And then balalenya ko tlang concepting ya banner boy ela ya 6,000. Bar VIP ki 6,000. Let's kawara. Kisi fela ko regala ticket. Wan kisa ko regala ticket for basadi. Banna wanyobisha ka maragong ko regala ticket. Otherwise, let me love and leave you guys. Anyways, let us all hustle. You know, this life thing doesn't come with a manual. Ke le rata ba botlhe, guys. Ke le rata ba botlhe. Those will be coming to the groove this weekend. Let us have a party with the one and only DJ Uber Eat. Remember my new name, DJ Uber Eat. DJ Uber Eat. Hey, masepaka kudu no. Lantie na go rock. So yeah, let's go about Banner Boy event that will be happening. 6,000 ticket VIP. Case fela go regala ticket. So alele onal chomcha J6 ke le 6,000 ke kamoka all monna o nyaga ticket wa tla mpethe shawani yana ka maragong ka go rekela ke it's a win-win wa ngusha. It's a win-win. Uka stone jaja mos. Otherwise tlogela. It's a service for a service. Uka stone pota ore and there is nothing wrong with me. When I'm punky, there is nothing wrong with me. I'm just being myself. There is nothing wrong with me. Ongusha. Otherwise, kalrata batwak. Kalrata ger. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Mwah. Have a blessed night. Let me go back to work. And again, I'll see you guys very soon. First to comment, I'll do it next week. Sorry, I couldn't do it yesterday because I had so many meetings with the programmer and the broker and whatnot. There's like a lot of things. But otherwise, not last words for them.
Yeah?
Not last words.
Yeah, guys. Big shout out to my mother, my father, my grandmother at home. And if you guys want to give up, this is the time.
Avaro Bari.
We are tired. We are tired of motivating you. We are tired of trying to get you guys to get up and do something with your lives. So if now you feel like it's the time for you to give up, do it like now. Do it now. Don't even wait for tomorrow. This is the time. You know?
Yeah.
We are tired